Karosa Chinaware Shenzhen Company Limited is a manufacturer professional manufacturing embossed gold household porcelain tableware, also providing decal designing and processing, products matching and customization, OEM and ODM services. We offer super white porcelain and bone china with grade A. All gold we used are originally imported from Germany and Japan. 9999 pure gold with Karosa technology, durable and luxury shiny. Karosa applies the most advanced decal designs. It can highlight the figures around chinaware, thus attracting more attention. Fired with intensive high temperature from 800 to 1300 degrees according to different designs process requested, that ensures our gold is insoluble, wear-resistant and durable. Besides, Quality Department has strict inspections on white bodies, semi-manufactured products, and finished products to confirm that products are harmless to human, assuring a safe dinner. Karosa Company has ISO 9001 system certification. Products have been passed FDA safety certificate. High embossed gold, handicraft techniques, lead-free and cadmium-free, dishwasher safe. Combining Western romanticism with Oriental practical value, Karosa products with practicability, collection, decoration, and other multiple values can meet the needs of different markets. They can be used in home, hotel, restaurant, banquet, wedding, etc., many kinds of occasions. Over the years of cooperation, Karosa's product quality, after-sales service, have won the wide recognition and support from customers at home and abroad.